Good afternoon. Today is October 28th, 2025, and Jessica Mauthe, the Armstrong County woman accused of concealing 4 dead infants in her Cadogan home, has pleaded not guilty. She had her preliminary hearing this morning. District Judge Gary DeComo held her bevy of charges for trial after Mauthe appeared for her preliminary hearing in Ford City this morning. Mauthe faces single charges of 1 criminal homicide and 1 involuntary manslaughter, and 4 counts each of abuse of a corpse and concealing the death of a child. At the hearing, State Police Trooper Justin Simons testified he found the partially decomposed remains of the 4 babies at Mauthe's former home on Oak Avenue. He testified at the hearing that Mauthe told him she had gave birth to babies A and C around 6 years ago in her bathroom. After giving birth to baby A, who was breathing, Mauthe told police she fell unconscious atop the child, and when she awoke, it was found lifeless. When Mauthe gave birth to baby C in the toilet, Derek testified the baby made no noise, and she later confirmed that it was dead. Mauthe gave birth to baby D around 1.5 years ago, the trooper said. She wrapped the living baby completely in a towel and held it until it stopped breathing. She didn't know if she held the baby too tight or if it was because its face was covered. Prosecutors did not discuss the origins or fate of baby B, nor was it mentioned in a criminal complaint filed against Mauthe. Mauthe also told Derek she was using Suboxone, a drug used to treat opioid addiction, and she was fearful Armstrong County Children and Youth Services would become involved if she went to authorities. The criminal homicide charge is related to baby D, and the involuntary manslaughter charge stems from baby A. The 39-year-old Mauthe lived with 2 young sons and a roommate at the home. Derek said the children didn't have access to the areas where the totes were stored. Leechburg attorney Chuck Pascal, who was assigned to Mauthe's public defender, said prosecutors had no physical evidence Mauthe had actually harmed the children aside from her interview with police. At one point, he even suggested Mauthe's memories of the incidents could be just a dream. DeComo declined Pascal's request to throw out the homicide and manslaughter charges. After the hearing, Pascal admitted it was going to be a tough case, but he asked the public to withhold judgment during the court proceedings. This is the beginning of a very long process. He said the defense would explore all options, including a potentially mental health evaluation.